Next, the third one is Heat Shastra, brand awareness. Most people think that you need to spend money to create awareness. Not true. Not true, sir. I have a client who used to be the franchise owner of Holiday Inn at Juhu. His name is Mr. Dinesh Khanna. Many years, people who used to go to Holiday Inn Juhu, now of course Holiday Inn is near you here at Sakinaka, but that he's taking the franchise of Novotel. So he came to me one day and said, I remember 1st of Jan 1996, and he says, boss, I want to build a lovely club, world-class club. मगर एक प्रॉब्लम है, मैं ये तुम्हारा अवेयरनेस का एक पैसा एडवर्टाइजिंग का नहीं खर्चूंगा. You do whatever you want to make a brochure, you want to do get-togethers, you want to do event, whatever, but no money on advertising. I said, how will I build the brand? I said, no advertising. So we get these kinds of briefs also. So दिमाग लड़ाना शुरू किया, दिमाग लड़ाया. फिर then I gave him the name, The Club at Juhu, right? And he liked the name. I said, this is the ultimate. Then all the Bollywood people live in Juhu, all used to come to Holiday Inn. So all the Bollywood people came and said, क्या क्या यार तुम्हारा consultant तुम्हारे को उल्लू बनाता है, ये तो 5th standard का बच्चा भी बोल सकता है. The Club कोई चीज, this is a pedestrian name, International Club, Spring Club, that type of name should be there. What is this? So he came back and he says in the next meeting, what is this? Yeah, you told me The Club, ultimate and all. Everyone is criticizing me, shouting at me. I said, hold it. What did you tell me? You told me I do not want 1 paisa to be spent on advertising. So yeah, so what has that got to do with the name? I said, this is what is that got to do. Now imagine, club is not formed, it's not been launched. We have launched the marketing effort. So paisa to aane do. There are memberships we have opened up. 2 years later we started the club, right? So then he says, but how will it happen? I said, I'll tell you how it will happen. The simple way that it will happen is this. Supposing in Bandra there's a hoity-toity snobbish lady who goes to her own club, maybe Otters or wherever. And this lady in Juhu has just got membership in your club, The Club. Now this is the conversation which takes place between the two. You have to imagine in marketing, क्या होगा आगे? हो चुका है, that is accounts. क्या हो सकता है, that is brand marketing. Okay. So the fact of the matter is, this lady at Bandra says, how are you? So this lady, the other lady from Juhu says, dear, I'm very nice, very well. Let's meet, let's catch up, long time no see. Then the Juhu lady says that, yeah, why did you meet at my club? So then the Bandra lady said, which club? Then this Juhu lady says, The Club. No, what is the name of the club? She says, the name of the club, The Club. Arey Baba, what is the name of the club? The Club. 5 बार brand का नाम without spending 1 paisa on advertising. और actually हुआ 5 lakh में launch किया. Otters Club was 3 lakhs, I launched at 5 lakhs. So how can, club is reverse psychology, it has to be at that price. 6, 6.5, 7.5, 8.5, 10, 12.5, 15, now it's 18. I still feel it's underpriced. The client is a little worried every time the price goes up. The Club is a landmark in this particular area. So it has to be configured correctly so you can get awareness without spending money. Because it is communication which is important, not advertising. Advertising is the paid form of communication. There are many other unpaid forms of communication. Ultimately, awareness is through communication, not necessarily through advertising. There's another client's example I'll give you is, there's a client who came to us and said, I've got 2.5 acres of land allocated for a school, again at Juhu. And I want you to build me the best international school, IB school. So okay. So we started working on it. I asked him a stupid question, that boss, कितने लोग हैं, principal, curriculum, teachers. So he started laughing. His name is Dr. Sarda. He started laughing. He said, मेरा तो ये सपना है, बाकी आप करो. That is the kind of brief we get. So we launched a brand. IB comes from Geneva. Geneva is the French-speaking part of Switzerland. So obviously it had to be a French name. So I went to my mother, who's a French teacher, and asked her, give me a nice name. So she gave me the name École Mondiale World School, right? And that's the school we launched. Now I told the client that the fees that we will start with is this. The chairman almost fell off his chair. He says, what are you talking? I said, yeah, we are targeting the segment of affluence and influence. So 2-year-old play school, nursery, KG, 3.9 lakhs per year. First standard, 10th standard, 4.9 lakhs per year. 11, 12, 5.9 lakhs per year. And first 3 months ke baad, I am increasing it by 1 lakh. He says, you're mad. People will laugh at us. And this I want to tell you my brand mantra. Don't get worried about who laughs at you first. Look at who laughs last. Aakhir mein kaun hasa? And who laughs all the way to the bank. You have to understand that. Anyway, people started coming in. All expats, best of facilities, best of faculty, everything, the best. It takes 2 hours to go around the school, right? Now, started succeeding. Now he says that, boss, I've earned a lot of money. I am willing to keep aside a few lakhs or a crore for a 3-month campaign because अभी सब बच्चे लोग जो आते हैं जू विले पार्ले सैंटा क्रूज बैंड्रा से आते हैं in and around. Can we get South Bombay students also to come to our school? I said, okay, but why you want to spend these lakhs and crores? He said, otherwise how will you get? I said, wait, let's come with the idea. Let's get the awareness done. So he says, what? I said, let us buy 2 school buses, mini buses. We paint them yellow. We'll put photographs on both sides, right, of the school and the facilities and the pool and everything. Then we'll put AC. Then we'll put curtains. Then we'll put LCD. Then we'll have a nice smart driver. Then we'll have a nice smart conductor. Then every morning, these 2 buses will go from Juhu to South Mumbai and come back through 2 different routes. And in the evening also they'll go and come back. So the chairman of the client is telling, but Kapoor, andar koi nahi hoega. I said, that only you and I know, na? And is there a law that empty buses can't go up and down? So for 3 months we allowed these buses to go up and down. Abhi some lady sitting in Nepean Road, some lady sitting in Cuff Parade. अरे एक कॉल का बस इधर आता है, चलो बच्चे को भेज सकते हैं. अगर इधर आता है तो और भी साउथ बॉम्बे वाले लोग जाते होंगे. Today we have 37% students in Ecole Mondiale who come from South Bombay. And incidentally we have 12 buses. Next. Oh, by the way, the current rate is 6.9 lakhs for a 2-year-old, 7.9 lakhs for first standard, 10th standard, and 8.9 lakhs for 11th, 12th. They are picked up by the best international universities. I increased that rate 3 months ago. So 7.9 is 9.9 and 8.9 is 10.9. I still feel it's underpriced considering the value that you give. Now you will say how it's underpriced. I will tell you. You want to send your child to Singapore, you want to send your child to London, then we being Indian parents, 10 बारी रोज फोन करेगा, 3 बारी महीने में फ्लाइट पकड़ के उसको मिलने जाएगा बेटा बेटी को, at all the cost, plus emotional pangs. इधर क्या किया है? Simple need. In the morning, come and get world-class education. In the evening, go and have dinner with your parents. No hostel. Indians are happy. Best of both worlds. Right? Next. Deed Shastra, trials. Trials is you need to generate trials. People need to try you. Your product, your service is very important because without that, they are not going to be able to buy again. So my brand mantra is sample to sell ample. मिठाई की दुकान पे जाते हो ना, तो थोड़ा चखते हो, बोला पाव किलो दे दो, 1 किलो दे दो. If you don't do that, it's not going to happen. So you must be in a position. You are in industrial products, demonstrate. If you are in some consumer product, sample. If you are even in a service, you can actually give a trial presentation. So trials is important, which is the Deed Shastra. So what would I start with? Need Shastra, Seed Shastra, Heed Shastra, Deed Shastra. My kids make fun of me. क्या आप ये पूरा राइमिंग करते रहते हैं, मगर क्या है, याद रहता है. यू वोंट हैव टू रिफर टू इट. दिमाग में घुस गया, तुम्हारे दिल दिमाग में घुस गया. भूल जाओगे तो रात को 3 बजे सपने में आके याद कराऊंगा. बट बिल्ड योर ब्रांड, यू विल बिल्ड योर बिजनेस. If you don't build your brand and you think you have got the best technological product and the world is going to come to you, people buy brands. They don't buy products or services. So, trials. You go to Shoppers Stop, you try. You don't go and pick up a jean or a t-shirt or a shirt without trying, right? So there are 3 processes as per my research. First, mental sampling. Customer wants to know why. Then physical sampling. Customer wants to try. Then comes financial sampling. Customer wants to buy. So why, try, buy. That is how you are able to get trials. And more and more and more. अब वो लोग बोलते हैं ना पिक्चर का ट्रेलर देखा. You think that was a trailer? That must have been mispronounced by us. It has got to do with trial, right? Trial room, various things which are there. After trials, what is the next brand Shastra I am recommending? Now we have come midway. Next. Feed Shastra, repeats. Product is good, people want to buy it again and again and again. If I was to ask you a question, whoever is from Mumbai, or even if you are not from Mumbai, even if you are from abroad, if I was to ask you, which according to you, in terms of perception, in terms of image, in terms of word of mouth, is the best Pani Puri wala? In Delhi you call it Golgappa, in Kolkata you call it Puchka, but in Mumbai it's called Pani Puri. Which is the best Pani Puri wala in Mumbai? Elko. See? Everyone said Elko. How? Because you know what he did? Many years ago, a little bakda he had. He is not an MBA. He has not attended my class. He has not come for any seminar. But he understands all these Shastras. And he has done it out of gut feel. What did he do? वो बाकड़े के बाहर एक प्लकार्ड लगा है कि मेरे पानी पूरी का पानी मिनरल वाटर से बनता है. So what has he done? Taste he is giving plus hygiene. People are giving taste. 10,000 people are there giving pani puris. But this guy is giving taste and hygiene. Then when you serve the pani puri, he has got guys with white gloves who do it. And suddenly one little bakda grows. Now you own the whole building. What is the price? The price if you stand out on the road is 160 rupees per plate for 6. And if you sit inside, it's 180. Most other people are available at 15, 20, 25 rupees. So what happens is, if you want repeats, you must be able to have perceived value and differentiation. And वो idea किस आता है? पैसे से नहीं आता है. And the fact of the matter is, I didn't have to tell you, immediately said Elko. Even if some fellow is Canada or London, they will be able to say Elko. Who comes to eat there? All these hoity-toity ladies in their BMW and Mercedes. Elko jate. And then they go and have it. The fact of the matter is being able to build a brand. Do you see him on TV advertising? But he's done the right thing consistently and therefore you get repeats. Again and again and again when it is bought. How many of you seen Munna Bhai MBBS, the first film? Wow, good. How many of you have seen the first film twice? Munna Bhai MBBS, right? That is called repeats. वही चीज़ आपको पसंद आई, आज तक भी हम लोग शोले देखते हैं. शोले देखने के बाद उसके साथ में डायलॉग बोलते हैं, right? That's repeats. So only if you get repeats, your business will grow. If it is a one-time thing, there's a problem. Now you say, नहीं ये product तो life में एक ही बारी खरीदने का है. Correct, but repeats also means word of mouth, your neighbors, your friends, others coming into it. Sixth one. After you have done everything, now you go further. Brand sales growth. Actual धंधे की बात करते हैं. Which is what I call speed shastra. You got your first 5 strategies in place, now spread. You know how many towns are there in India? 8,100 towns. How many villages are there? 6.5 lakh villages. If I ask you how many metros are there, someone will say 5, 6, 8. There are 53 metros in India. Where are we sitting? This place where you are sitting now. This Andheri East, Powai and Andheri West where the metro has started. Andheri East, West and Powai is more than Dubai. If I take just 5 towns, Mumbai, Thana, Pune, Nasik and Surat, that's 30 million people. That's equal to 7 New Zealands. That is India, therefore the whole world wants to come here. For then you have to do speed, you have to be available, you have to distribute, you have to be, if you don't distribute, you can be online, you can be accessible. But the fact of the matter is now, when you got everything right, speed. There are 52 Starbucks since the time they launched 1.5 years ago. And there are almost 2,000 CCDs. That day there was a team which came from Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, UP, Uttarakhand, Bihar, Jharkhand. So I asked them a simple question. How many of you have heard of Starbucks? Not one fellow put up their hand. And then I asked them, how many of you do CCD? अरे मेरे टाउन में बगल में. So what I am talking about is distribution, availability. Awareness हो जाएगा, मगर अगर माल नहीं मिलेगा तो खरीदेगा किधर से? And माल doesn't mean only product, it could be even service. Even if you're a doctor, even if you're giving service industry, you need to be available, you need to be accessible. Otherwise, how will he buy? Otherwise, he will see your ad and go and buy the competitor because that fellow is available. So speed. The next one is the Creed Shastra. Brand trust growth. Brand means trust. Trust means brand. If you break the trust, you are finished. It happened to Coke and Pepsi. It happened to Cadbury. One Gujarati housewife told very nicely. ये अच्छा है इन लोग का प्रमोशन चल रहा है कि कोला के ऊपर तुम्हारे को ये चॉकलेट मिलेगा. बोला क्यों अच्छा है? बोला पहले चॉकलेट खाओ, पेट में कीड़े जाएंगे, फिर कोला पियो, पेस्टिसाइड से मर जाएंगे. How low can you get in your credibility? All the MDs of those companies lost their jobs. Don't ever allow your credibility or trust to be broken. Because brand means trust, trust means brand. वो कभी हाथ लगाने मत देना किसी. I am willing to give up a customer. I am even willing to give up a sale. I am not willing to give away this. Ultimately, brand किससे बनता है? There are only two things. And I will tell you my brand mantra. कस्टमर को आप पे विश्वास होना चाहिए और आपको अपने आप पे आत्मविश्वास होना चाहिए. It's a combination of विश्वास and आत्मविश्वास. Then you say, but in India does it work? Yes, it works. India is not a nation. Who told you India is a nation? India is not a nation. According to me, India is a combination. अलग अलग चीज का कॉम्बिनेशन है, समझ लो कस्टमर को. Then you adapt it. जिंदगी में कभी वर्ल्ड वाइड में मैकडोनल्ड होम डिलीवरी करता है क्या? नहीं. मगर वो घाटपुर का आउटलेट है, उधर फोन आया कोई फैमिली का, गुजराती साउथ इंडियन, हाँ 2 फ्रेंच फ्राइज 3 वेज बर्गर, ये वो एड्रेस लिख लो. तो सर वी डू नॉट सप्लाई होम डिलीवरी. तो भी रेस्टोरेंट क्यों खोला है? टाक. अभी 10,000 लोग का फोन आएगा तो मैकडोनल्ड का भी दिमाग खुल जाएगा कि नहीं? सो दे स्टार्टेड होम डिलीवरी. मतलब अंडरस्टैंड that this is India. You have to build a brand based on the needs. आप लोग सबके घर पे ना मिनिमम विदाउट डूइंग रिसर्च 12, 15, 16 नेबरहुड रेस्टोरेंट के मेनू है. एक चाइनीज रेस्टोरेंट, एक पिज्ज़ा वाला, एक सबके मेनू है और आपने बहुत संभाल के रखा है. करेक्ट? शेयर सर्टिफिकेट, लैंड डॉक्यूमेंट, ज्वेलरी से भी ज़्यादा संभाल के रखा है. क्योंकि हम लोग क्या करते हैं? वी आर अ लैंड ऑफ राजा रानी. हम लोग को डिलीवरी होता, होम डिलीवरी होता, घर पे आके कोई देखेगा. वो उधर बगल में फैन का बटन है, हम इधर बैठा है, फिर भी सर्वेंट को बुलाएगा, वो ऑफ करना. सो द फैक्ट ऑफ द मैटर इज यू अंडरस्टैंड इंडिया. इंडिया वांट्स सर्विस. एंड सेकेंड थिंग इंडिया वांट्स, इफ यू वांट टू बिल्ड ट्रस्ट, इज रिलेशनशिप. मेरा ब्रांड मंत्र है इंडिया में संबंध नहीं तो सब बंद. ये 2 चीज अगर हो गया ना, यू आर एबल टू बिल्ड योर ब्रांड. नेक्स्ट, द पेनल्टिमेट वन, द सेकंड लास्ट वन इज ब्रीड शास्त्र, मार्केट शेयर ग्रोथ. व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस? यू मे बी ग्रोइंग 30% इन सेल्स, मार्केट इज ग्रोइंग 90%. यू आर एक्चुअली लूजिंग मार्केट शेयर. यू हैव टू ग्रो इक्वल टू और मोर देन द मार्केट, अदरवाइज यू आर लूजिंग एंड सडनली यू विल डिसअपियर. एंड द लास्ट ब्रांड शास्त्र is exceed shastra. You must exceed the expectation of the customer. You must surprise the customer. अभी इंडिया में क्या अलग अलग वर्ड्स यूज होते हैं. So I am telling you, surprise the customer, not shock the customer. Let me go and shock the customer. ठीक है? नहीं, सरप्राइज बोल रहा हूँ, शॉक नहीं बोल रहा हूँ. फिर अभी एक्सीडेंट हो गया इंडिया में, अरे टेरिफिक एक्सीडेंट हो गया, दैट इज टेरेबल. हाँ, और टेरिबल पार्टी था, दैट इज टेरिफिक. और फिर एक और चीज से मेरे को डर लगता है. बहुत लोग आके मेरे को बोलता है कि हम लोग ब्रांड बना सकते हैं क्या? बोला हाँ, क्यों नहीं, कम खर्चा. बोला कम खर्चा ज्यादा चर्चा. तो माउथ टू माउथ कर सकते हैं क्या? दैट इज नॉट माउथ टू माउथ, इट इज वर्ड ऑफ माउथ, राइट? चलो माउथ टू माउथ एडवर्टाइजिंग करते हैं, अरे क्या कर लोगे यार तुम लोग. So basically here surprise the customer, not shock the customer. If from need to exceed you are able to do it, you'll earn profit. Customer will benefit, you will profit. So what is the full thing that happens from need to exceed? Next. Then you succeed. So let me show you the last one. Next. Thank you for your patience. Use these. Copyright is mine. And go ahead and build your brand and your business. Thank you very much.